everyone, it's me DJB Israel, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting for the two cover songs of our very own Mission Souls, and these are Everlong by Foo Fighters, published 6 months ago with 44,000 views, and Kill Bury Me by 30 Seconds to Mars, published 3 months ago with 61,000 views. Ayan, I'm so excited to discover songs kasi I'm not a fan of hard rock, pero kapag Mission Souls po ang kumanta, talaga na-appreciate ko ng gusto kasi napakaganda naman talaga ng arrangement, ng rhythm at ng harmony when it comes to hard rock, na talagang na-appreciate ko ng gusto kapag sila ang kumanta. Kaya naman, let's go, pakinggan na natin ito kasi for sure heavy rock na naman to. Let's go! Boy! Wow! Ang sweet na magkakapatid! Grabe ang astig! Ayaw ko mabalik pa. Wow! Shine the eyes.
What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all off in your face. What would you do? What if I fell to the floor? Couldn't take this anymore. What would you Like for the rest of my life, what would you do? You say you wanted more. What are you waiting for? I'm not running from you. Come break me down, bury me. I am finished with you. Look in my eyes, you're killing me. Once it was you. I tried to be someone else, but nothing seems to change. I know now this is who I really am inside. Finally found myself, fighting for a chance. I know now this is who I
Ang galing na pinili. Oh! Wow, kamote! Oh! Galing! Wow, grabe! Sobrang gagaling ng magkakapatid na to. And si Ice, grabe Ice, you really shine in these covers. Talaga namang ibinigay mo ng gusto yung best mo para sa mga cover songs na ito. At bigay na bigay ang bawat palo niya. Talagang pati katawan niya humahagis. Kaya naman tuwan-tuwa ako. Actually, gaya nga na sabi ko, no, I'm not a fan of heavy rock or heavy metals. Pero pagdating sa Mission Souls, talaga nakuha nila yung puso ko. At yung kahit na sabihin na natin para sa iba maingay, pero kapag ka sila ang gumawa, parang napaka-soft at talagang i-appreciate mo at bawat tipa at bawat tunog ng instruments na kapag nagsama-sama na para sa'yo, napakasarap sa tenga. And sobrang husay nila, ha? Talagang lahat kakabigin mo, wala kang itutulak kasi lahat sila talagang ma-appreciate mo ang bawat husay nila. And the sweetness voice of Stacy na talagang nagbigay sa akin ng puso para i-open ko nagbigay sa akin ng feeling para i-open ko yung heart ko para sa mga heavy rock and heavy metals. Kapag ka sila ang kumakanta, ma-appreciate mo talaga. Ayan, once again, napakahusay. Kaya naman, ang dami nag-request nito sa isa kong channel. Pero dito ko ginawa sa DJB Israel para naman kahit pa paano ay may Mission Souls tayo dito, okay? So, ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang ating napakahuhusay na Mission Souls. Talagang ma-appreciate nyo ang bawat cover song na ginagawa nila, okay? And don't forget to subscribe also aking po DJB Diwata. Ayan, marami rin kayong mapapanood at mapapakinggan na mga cover songs and reaction video dyan, okay? So, once again, this is DJB Israel and thank you so much for always watching my reaction video. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel, and once again, I love you all. God bless us all and have a nice weekend.